Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another video. Today, the Puma gods looked down upon me and blessed me with that delayed W that I had been looking for. Now y'all guys see the box in the back, and I went ahead and threw in a little extra feature fit. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do some more fit videos, so you guys let me know how y'all like that, but that's gonna be at the end. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I've been waiting to get this shoe in hand and talk to you guys about it. Let me grab the box. Hey, production team, yeah, you back there, let's go ahead, let's run the montage, let's get into this box. And here they are, bruh. Green and white Puma box, a pretty big Puma box if I might add. The size and label on this one reads Thunder Electric and white, black, and I think it's Mandarin or Mandarin red, which is basically orange in my opinion. Now I did get mine in a size US 12, and if you are looking for this shoe, I definitely say go true to size. I think that gives you the best fit. It doesn't really feel like these fit big at all. I think true to size gives you a nice cozy fit for these. Now y'all know I have been talking about that Spectrum model for a while, so I'm just glad to actually finally get a pair of these in and just kind of share my thoughts and opinions on them and kind of give you guys a better look at them. But let me go ahead and toss this box in the back real quick, and then we can go ahead and get into the shoe. Just give me a second. And here they are, bruh, the Puma Thunder Electric. Now these did actually drop in two colorways on the 21st, this orange, black, and white and gum joint, and then you also had like a blue, gray, black, and red pair. Me personally, this is my personal favorite pair out of those two drops, just because of this orange chrome hit, which I am going to get into in a little bit. But out of both colorways, that was one of my favorite features and why I wanted these over the blue pair, in my personal opinion. Now we have to start off with the sole, and I think the one thing people might get wrong about this shoe is that they probably think that it's super chunky, super clunky, but it's not. It's really not that crazy. It's not that big or wide of a shoe. You do have a wider foot base because the sole is wider, but it's not that big. It's not that chunky, not really that clunky. Now in this particular colorway, you do have that gum rubber outsole, then you move up to that EVA and foam midsole, and I think that's one of the greatest things about this shoe is the sole as well as the upper. There's just a lot of layering and panels and different materials you can throw on this shoe with different colors and really mix up the colorways. Like there's a lot of different colorways coming probably in the fall that I'm really digging. Like there's a beige, red, and yellow one. There's a money color one, really. It's like a sage green and tan or beiged out bottom on those. So there's like a lot of different ways you can mix and match the panels, the soles, and the colors to make some really dope colorways. Now back to these though, you got the black on the midsole, the speckled black, and then these orange plastic hits on the bottom just to give it another little accent, just a little different look and texture to the shoe, this shiny piece of orange. Now once you're coming up from the actual midsole, you get into the upper, and you got a lot of different mixture of materials. You have mesh on the upper. They're saying that you have nubuck on certain colorways. You have the leather, you have the rubber, and let me check my phone just to make sure I get this one right. You have thermoplastic polyurethane overlays on the shoe as well, and I'm assuming what that is this kind of molded plastic piece or molded rubber piece back here on the heel. And sticking with the heel, you guys can see there is Puma branding on the back with the leather pull tab. There is on the inside, at least the guts of the shoe, is the orange guts, black insoles on these, and there is a bit of more cushioning back there for the back of your heel, the Achilles tendon on the back. And overall, like I said, bro, really comfy shoe, comfy on the inside and cozy looking on the outside. Now moving towards the toe, you got your leather on the toe, then around the shoe you got some more hits of leather on the mid panels. What I'm assuming is either nubuck or rubber on the Puma logo, and then the laces are orange and white, and then you have the orange lace loops. Once again, that chrome plated piece, or not chrome plated, but the chrome looking piece, the iridescent orange looking piece on there. And then towards the tongue, there is actually more leather. There's leather on the top of the tongue as well as the pull tab. Then you got the black Puma logo up there as well. So I wore mine around a little bit, and all in all, I think for $120 is definitely a nice comfy sneaker. It's a good price point for these. And then some of the colorways they're going to be dropping, maybe you didn't really dig this one as much as maybe the Spectra or the other color, the Electric. I will be linking down below to Puma.com. They may have some more sizes pop back up. But yeah, man, for me, I think for 120 is definitely a solid shoe. And I'm going to be looking for some more colorways come the fall and I guess autumn, winter, whatever time. I'm pretty sure they're going to have a good number of colorways dropping in these. But that was my look at the Puma Thunder Electric. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please let me know if you guys dig this feature fit video. The fit is coming up right now. That's it. It's a wrap. Much love to all the fan followers and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blase blah, of course, Bullet RC, and I will see y'all on that next video. That is it. It is time, production team. Let's go ahead and roll that feature fit. Y'all enjoy. Peace.
Back when I was a kid, I used to drive alone, always feeling like I was stuck out here on my own. Now my pockets is full and I'm still riding slow. What goes on in my head, don't nobody really know. I'm in the light, all of my life get put on display. Nothing to call my own, ducking, dodging every day. Put that camera phone away and keep it real with me. Time and time again, I'm searching for reality and feeling so alone. Keep it that's how it is. Keep that in there too. Keep that in there. Fuck it. You say what you are. Say what you are. You coming what you're supposed to be. What you are. People see who you are. Afraid though. I'm smoking that weed every day, but never had my faith. They calling my phone, now don't even got the time of day. Don't know they motives anymore, that's why I hesitate. I'm tired of partying, getting drunk, I'm trying to elevate. I remember back in the day, I ain't have no cash. I was coming up off of nothing, hoping it would last. Now it's 2015, and I got it all. Feeling like I did when I started on my own, out here all alone. Yeah. And it's cool. People try to tell you shit, like you can't smoke weed. Fuck it is, you gotta do what you like, but then they'll sell you some other shit though. And brainwash you into thinking that's okay. Back when I was a kid, I used to drive alone, always feeling like I was stuck out here on my own. Now my pockets is full and I'm still riding slow. What goes on in my head, don't nobody really know. I'm in the light, all of my life get put on display. Nothing to call my own, ducking, dodging every day. Put that camera phone away and keep it real with me. Time and time again, I'm searching for reality and feeling so alone. Keep it that's how it is. Keep that in there too. Fuck it. You say what you are. You coming what you're supposed to be. What you are. People see who you are. Don't be afraid though. I'm smoking that weed every day, but never had my faith. They calling my phone, now don't even got the time of day. Don't know they motives anymore, that's why I hesitate. I'm tired of partying, getting drunk, I'm trying to